Today, I will show you how to create the top of the universe effect. The first half of the video is a quick and easy tutorial, while the second half contains a bit more examples. You can use the same clip, or try different ones with similar skies. Or even more interesting, using dark and light skies together to create an interesting dynamic. Let's get into it. First, you will need 2 videos. For this example, I would like to keep it within the selection that Filmora offers, that way you can easily participate in the tutorial without having to dig up 2 videos on your own. Click on the Stock Media tab in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Place them in the timeline like so. Go ahead and drag the video down about 25%. Now drag your second stock video over to the second track and place like so. Now go to Transform on the right side of your screen and find the Flip option. Click the first button, which flips it upside down. Then click the second button, which flips it from side to side so that your video is flipped perfectly upside down. Now, you want to move the video up about 25%, depending on where your skyline is. Now, it is time to apply the mask. Masks offer unique editing abilities, and many of them will be covered on this channel in future content. On the video located on the second track, click on the single line mask, go to the Rotate section, and type in 90, short for 90 degrees. Then you want to set your blur strength to 10%. Also, flip the invert mask switch. Then take your cursor to the center of where the 2 video images collide and find the sweet spot where the software allows you to pull the mask down. You will see your skylines blend miraculously. Now, this particular exercise did take me a few tries to master it. Good luck. Here are some other examples of the top of the universe look, and we didn't even scratch the surface of what you can do with that feature. If you like the content, please subscribe, and thank you.